Hi students, today we'll discuss about the heading class, group by class and order by class. So first of all, I will discuss about order by class. Order by class. In SQL, you can use the order by class to arrange the result of a particular query. It means that suppose your intention is to display the results in a particular order, that is ascending or descending order. For example, you can take our intention is to retrieve the name and mark of students table, and mark should be in a ascending order. So for this purpose, for ordering purpose, for arranging results in a particular order, or you can say for sorting purpose, we can use the order by clause. The syntax of order by clause is like select column name 1, column name 2, from table name order by column name ASC or DESC, ASC or DESC semicolon. ASC stands for ascending and DESC you can use for descending order. If your intention is to sort the results in a descending order, then you can use the DESC keyword after the column name. Take one example here. Suppose you want to fetch out the name and mark of students from the student table, and mark should be in a descending order. Then for this purpose, you can write the query like this: select name, comma, mark from student table, student, order by mark DESC semicolon. Here we want to retrieve the only name and mark column from which table? Students table. Our intention is to arrange the results and to arrange the marks of students in a particular order, that is descending order. So what will be the result? The result will be like this. In your result table, you can find name Rahul, Sita, Kasturi, Ramesh and Madhav. But here the name are in this particular sequence. But when you execute this query, at first will come in descending order. First will come 92, and 92, that is the Rahul. Then it will come 90, that is Kasturi. After that 87 will come, and name is Sita. Then 85 will come, then Ramesh, and last one you can find 70, that's the name is the Madhav. The result of this query will be like this. Here the result of that query will be it will that the name and the mark. First comes Rahul 92, then Kasturi 90, then 87 Chitta 87. After that Ramesh 85, and last one is the Madhav 70. After executing this query, the result will be like this. The result will come in this format. Here, look at the marks are in descending order. But if our intention is to display the marks in ascending order, then you have to mention the mark ASC. But in SQL, ascending order is the default order. If you didn't mention ASC, then it will not put any effect on your result. By default, the marks will be sorted in ascending order. The ascending order is the default order of order by class. If you use the order by class and write a column name, that value of that column will become in ascending order by default, whether you mention ASC or not. That is one. Next class we will discuss that the group by class. This is group by class. Group by class is used to retrieve or to fetch some identical values of multiple rows in a particular group. Our intention here is using the group by class, we can fetch out some identical values, and group by class is used with some function. That function is known as the aggregate function. Without aggregate function, you cannot use the group by class. When you use group by class on a particular column, then you have to use the aggregate function. What is the aggregate function? Aggregate function like sum, AVG, that is the average, max, it gives the maximum value, mean, this is the minimum value, count, it will count the number of rows, etc. These are known as the aggregate value. In one class, we will discuss separately about the aggregate functions. Here, my intention is to write a query which will give the course name and summation of the marks. Here, look at the course is the physics, chemistry, physics, and physics. My intention is to retrieve the sum of marks course wise. For this purpose, I can write select course, comma sum is the aggregate function I use, and here I give the column name. Select course, comma sum is the aggregate function and it is the mark. From table name, that's the student, group by we put the group by clause or use the group by clause on a column. That column is the mark column. On mark column we use the group by clause, and our intention is to find out the summation of marks group wise, course wise. After executing this query, the result will be like this. The result will course, physics, and summation is 257, and chemistry the summation is 177. The select course sum. Here we retrieve the values from the table using the group by clause on course column. The course column, the group एटी गुटे कोर्स थिला फिजिक्स, ये गुटे कोर्स थिला फिजिक्स ताको गुटे ग्रुप कर देला एटा फिजिक्स, ये फिजिक्स कोर्स वाइज आमे समेशन ता बाहर करिया पड़छ, एटी केमिस्ट्री कोर्स वाइज समेशन बाहर करिया पड़छ. तो सिलेक्ट कोर्स कॉमा सम मार्क फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट ग्रुप बाय कोर्स and result will be like this. The syntax of group by clause is syntax of group by clause select column 1 column 2 from table name group by column name. This is the syntax. Select column 1, column 2 from table name, group by column name. This is the syntax. Another type of syntax we can also use. Select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition group by This type of syntax you can also use. If you use the where clause, then where clause must be mentioned before the group by clause. This is the syntax of group by clause. Next, we will discuss about having clause. That is having clause. Having clause. In our previous class, we used the where clause, and where clause is used to mention a condition at the time of retrieving some data from the database. Where clause is used to filter or to restrict the accessing of data from the table. If you want to retrieve some specific part of the data, not entire, then we can use the where clause. Where clause is implemented on row. Where clause is implemented on individual rows or one or more rows. So row basis, we can use the where clause to implement the condition. But having clause is used to implement the condition at the time of retrieving the values, but having clause is used on group. Having clause is used with group by clause. If your intention is to put a condition at the time of to put the condition to fetch out some results from the table or database group wise or using the group by clause, then you have to use the having clause. Where clause is used on row wise and group by clause is used on group basis. When you use the group by clause, you have to use the having clause to implement the condition. That syntax is select column 1, column 2 from table name, where condition. This condition is particularly on row, where condition group by this column name, having condition. Having condition. This having clause used for group by clause. So in this order, select, from, where, then group by, last one you can use the having clause. One example we can take. I can write one query. Look at select course sum mark from student group by course having some mark greater than 200. Here we put the condition, or here we implement the condition that the summation of marks should be greater than 200, and that summation of mark, this condition is implemented on the course column, and that course column is used with group by clause. The result of this query is like this. Look at this. Select course sum mark from student group by course. Particularly up to this, if you this the semicolon here, up to this, the result is here. Select course sum of mark, अर्थात you do the summation of marks course wise, that is the 247, 92, 85, 70, physics 247 asla, chemistry 177. It group wise summation karichandi mark. But if your intention is to put the condition on group by clause, on the group, then you have to use the having clause. And having clause says summation of mark or sum of mark should be 200. Then the result will be this one. Out of 247 or 177, the condition is satisfied by 247. The sum of mark greater than 200, a condition to satisfy 247. So this query will show the result course sum mark physics 247. तेणु आम जो where clause यूज कर where clause रे हम टेबल रे रो वाइज जेता इंडिविजुअल रो ऊपर हम where clause यूज करथले किंतु जेता हैविंग क्लॉज यूज करछंती पर्टिकुलरली गोटे कोर्स को जेता ग्रुप वाइज हम सिलेक्ट करछंती पर्टिकुलरली ग्रुप ऊपर जेता हम कोई कंडीशन अप्लाई करछंती ई ग्रुप बाय क्लॉज यूज करके सेतेबेले सही कंडीशन जे ग्रुप बाय क्लॉज यूज कला परे कंडीशन इंप्लीमेंट करियो चाहतली ताने हैविंग क्लॉज का यूज करिवे पई सब आज पई थी पर देखियो या पर हमें मु एचटीएमएल ऊपर पढिबे।